In this video, we will mainly introduce how to configure Fanvil's video intercom kit. The kit provides an indoor station, a door phone, and 5 free mobile app accounts. Opening the package, we can see that the kit includes the indoor station i504W, door phone i60, quick installation guide, wall mount bracket, rain cover mounting bracket, and a wiring accessory package. During the initial setup, the device needs to be powered on and connected to the internet. After powering on, operate on the indoor station by first selecting the language and time zone. Set the network mode, select the detected device, and name the door phone. Scan this QR code to download Fanvil link. If you have already downloaded it, simply open the app and scan to register. You can register using either an email address or a phone number. Set your login password. Now you have completed the entire kit configuration. You can monitor the door phone and unlock the door. Unlock the door directly from the app. Initiate a call to the door phone directly. Let's take a look at what we get after completing the configuration.